Hey friends, Mia here. Your favorite 8-year-old, Chihuahua Papillon.
Hi.
Come along on an epic road trip with my mom, Lidia. Last time, we soaked in the beauty of Austin, Texas, and Hot Springs National Park. This time, we're heading to Memphis, Tennessee, and making our way east. Our first stop was to say hi to a few famous friends and our favorite aunt, Dolly. We drove to Memphis and stopped at the Historic Clayborn Temple. It's a powerful symbol of resilience from the civil rights movement. Mom's always writing about communities, working towards a just transition. And this place is full of inspiration. The temple played a significant role in the 1968 sanitation workers' strike, where workers demanded better pay and safer conditions. It's a reminder of how far we've come, and the work still needed for justice. We took some time to reflect at the I Am a Man Plaza. It was a powerful experience. After paying our respects and snapping some pics, we continued our drive through Tennessee. Next stop, Great Smoky Mountains and Cherokee National Forest.
Everything over here. It feels like Las Vegas. Like this is like the Strip, but instead of casinos, it's all of these almost carnival rides and arcades and lots of different mini golfs, small roller coasters.
We hopped on the Blue Ridge Parkway around Pigeon Forge. Photos at Clingmans Dome, or as the Cherokee call it, Kauai. Mom was delighted when we came across Wolf Mountain Overlook. We said a prayer for our ancestor, Uncle David. We love you. Back in the car, and on the parkway. The Blue Ridge Parkway is a 469-mile-long scenic road connecting the Great Smoky Mountains National Park in North Carolina to the Shenandoah National Park in Virginia. We stopped stopped
we're
for
just...
pictures. Many.
Sit. Look at me.
Many pictures. As we drove up the mountain, the fog thickened. I guess this is why they call it the Smoky Mountains.
So free.
After having spent a few nights at rest stops and Walmarts, plus driving through this fog, we indulge with a night's stay at the Radical Hotel in Asheville, North Carolina. We both had important work to do. Mine more so. Mom treated herself to dinner. And I to a delicious nap. We were back on the road. I love it. That's where I take my best naps. We were really into the rainy weather at first.
This camera isn't doing it justice, is it, Mija? It's incredible. Rain clouds covering the trees.
We were following the scenic route. The fog was coming in again.
I'm so freaked. Holy shit!
Then once it cleared up, we found ourselves on a road that has seen better days. Taking Log Cabin Lane might not have been the best idea. Mom had to get off to remove tree branches from the road a few times. Personally, I thought she did great.
Ooh, my goodness. That was something, all right. My asshole is tight! Woo!
The drive led us to a cozy haven near Roan Mountain, Tennessee.
We made it. We survived the treacherous road. Ended up at some, you can't see the sign, the station at 19 East, craft beer, music, food, hostel. We went down and had 3 beers and I have a headache now. I cannot drink at all. Oh, Mija was a part of the video. She's been a good guard dog. Guard dogging the car. I think we're ready to go downstairs, get some breakfast, and then hit the road again. What do you think, Mija?
The sign promising craft beer, music, food, hostel was just what we needed. We ended this leg of our journey in Greensboro, North Carolina. We felt under the weather, so we took it easy at a cozy Airbnb. After resting up, we couldn't miss the chance to connect with the history of the Greensboro sit-ins. It was such a powerful and meaningful moment. Thank you for the suggestion, Aunt Linda. And thank you for sticking around for this longer episode. We're excited to keep exploring as we make our way to the East Coast. Until next time, friends, woof woof, bye for now.